So we are fixing some doors today. These were $80. Found them on Facebook Market. So yeah, me and my dad are going to renovate these doors into white. These used to be restaurant doors. And yeah, we'll see what we can do. They have glass. El movie de papi.
So if this bitch floods, you ain't gotta rip this drywall.
They're smart as fuck.
Cause you ain't gotta rip the drywall.
They're
off.
Hispanics.
It's cause when it floods, we do what we do. You ain't gotta rip out drywall. All you gotta do is directly. You gotta rip out the floor.
There's no drywall.
Depending on how much sewage, like what it is, sewage or bread. I'm renting out this one. I'll rent out this. Me and Dane will live in it. It's connected. But I want to say watch this part. Man!
Just put it over there in the corner. Don't put it against the wall just in case they paint or something.
Right here.
Oh shoot! I can't always do it.
And try to do it.
I was trying to think.
Good morning. It's early in the morning. Excuse the hair. Woke up early to get these doors done. So we're gonna paint, do the prime paint and all that stuff today. Yeah. Right now we're gonna feed the birds. So we're gonna fill up their little
House.
food thingy where they get the bird feeders.
The house and then this.
So we're gonna see that.
We actually always do that. Money! Get out of there.
Do the little one first.
This one?
Yeah. This one, yeah.
Oh. So I have to pour it in?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. It's heavy. Okay, help! Okay, that's good.
Leave it, just leave it.
Okay.
Come over here on this side
Huh?
and hold that down.
Or we can just do this. Put it in the cup.
It's gonna take forever.
What? Oh, yeah. Maybe the birds are going to come over here and eat some too. Wait. Yeah, definitely the birds are going to come over here and eat some. Look at the birds are over there. They're waiting for some food. It's on the garage door.
They're calling their friends.
Ah! What? Told you. They're hungry.
You hear all the birds? They're about to come and attack us.
No, they're trying to get some food. Look at all of them. They're just they're trying to gather around with us because they're hungry. Okay, that's it. So now.
What's the deal?
Oh yeah. Okay, now let's go over there. With the...
You got it?
Yep. Oi, don't do that. That scared me.
Money, stop.
Oh shoot! I hit the head.
Mira las chanchilas. Las mías.
Sí.
Oh. Y las chanchilas.
Está bonito el día.
¿Quieres probar una sopita?
Está bueno, viejo. ¿Dónde tenés? Che, fuiste a comprar una de puertas para que no entre nadie, después te llevaste.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't you ain't, don't you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't, don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't. You ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't. So you say you're down with it, won't tell them how you can ride with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act a fool while we ride with it. Ain't nobody take me out though.
So now we are, sorry about the lighting, it sucks. I'm in the garage, you guys are in the garage. So we're gonna use paint thinner to clean the wood first before we prime and then paint. The doors are gonna be white. I was thinking black, but there's free paint here, so why not? I'll just do white. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. We're gonna let those dry for a little bit, and then we'll continue with the primer. So we'll be back. All right, actually, while it's drying, I'm gonna put blue tape around the glass so no paint or primer will go onto the glass, and just get that ready so you can watch that. Alright, all the doors are finished with tape. They should be done drying. I just need my mom to help me flip them and do the other side. Do the same thing. So, yeah. So next step is the primer. This one is white. I don't know if there's different ones, but there's that. That's what my mom was doing. And the baby doggy is watching. Money. Armani. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi. You're so handsome when you sit down. All right, so I didn't bring my camera, so I'm on my phone right now. But I'm in my truck picking up my niece from school. But I wanted to show you guys the new faucets for the sinks. I have 2 of these, which will be going into the rooms. Cute gold. And then obviously it comes with all the connections. I got this off of Amazon. This will go underneath the faucet. And then the little plug thingy to stop, or the water stopper. I'm assuming that's what it's called. So I got that one. So I got 2 of these. I'm going to show you what the other one looks like for the big sink. Okay, so this is when I first opened it. This is the little tubes that will go for the hot and cold water. Ooh, this one's more yellow gold, which I like. The other one's more like a beigey tone. But look at this, guys. Ooh, bougie. The water will fall down from the top right here. Yes. Who's this? Why can't I get it in? Push these up. Alright, then you got the stopper, which is gold as well. And then the handles, because they do have the sink, looks like it has 2 holes on the side for, so like the faucet, and then the handles to turn into hot and cold. So I want to make sure that is there. But that is cute, 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 cute. And again, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna show myself because I just got the shower and my hair's frizzy. So Sorry, my vlog is probably going to be really choppy. I know I mentioned in another video. It's just I'm only recording what is about the salon, the journey of that, because the other days I'm literally just working at the suites with my clients, so nothing is exciting there. So it's only when I get chances to go to the salon that I'm able to record for you guys. So that's why it's not like a smooth transition or whatever. So, and I know you guys probably won't mind it anyways. I know I wouldn't mind it by watching other people's vlogs and journeys. But I do wanted to show you guys the faucets. And I need to show you guys what the doors look like. I just decided to show myself. Might as well talk to you guys while I'm waiting for my niece. Put this back in the meantime. But my lashes are not brushed. They're wet. So they're all like clumped together right now. But yeah, I wanted to really talk to you guys right now about my emotions on the salon, to be honest. I haven't posted anything about the salon because I do believe in bad juju. Because I do believe that people can talk bad on your business, your plans and stuff like that. So really all the people who know that it's happening is my clients, as they should know anyway, so they can plan ahead of schedule, like what the future will look like and where we'll be at, so they know where it's at. Not exactly, obviously they haven't gone there, but I told them like where about it's at. So yeah, that's the only people that know, and obviously my family, but nobody on social media knows I am opening a salon. Then also I have been slacking on posting on my social media just because I honestly just felt tired of posting content for it, or at least for my lash business, because there isn't much new, you know. And I really want to post a salon, but not yet. I want to wait till I am in there and then post like, hey, big announcement, I have moved to a new location, which is my salon. So that is the plan. The girls that are coming, I will have a microbleeder, I will have a nail tech, makeup artist, me, the lash tech. So yeah, that's the update on that. And then what else? The salon, I'll probably record. I'm gonna stop there, drop these faucets off for the guys that are doing my build out, putting like the walls up and for me and all that stuff. So I'm gonna drop these off so they can connect the sinks, and supposedly it should be done, or the whole salon should be done, getting renovated by this weekend, he said. So let's cross our fingers, because by next weekend we are moving out the suites and moving into the salon. So literally, like, we're packing all our stuff next weekend and moving it over to the salon, straight over there. So, and then I'll start working that following Monday. So really no day off, because we got bills to pay now, so I can't take no time off, because it'll be just me and the microbleeder who will be working at the salon the first month. The makeup artist will come after her vacation, so that'll be her start date. So yeah, guys, my emotions with this is, it hasn't really hit me. It hits me when I'm there, because I see it happening, but it doesn't feel like it's mine yet for some reason, even though I signed for it and everything. I feel like it will start hitting me once I start driving over there to work and unlocking the door and working, taking in clients, and yeah, that's when it'll probably hit me the most. I plan on doing my grand opening, not right away, just because we're on a budget, okay? Like I told you guys before, I'm a broke girl with making it possible. Like, it is possible to open a salon if you want to. If you really, really want to, you can do it. Of course, I have the greatest support with my parents. I appreciate their help with everything. So if it wasn't for my handy dandy dad, then it wouldn't be possible. So, what else? So the grand opening won't happen till either July or August. In August, why I'm pushing a little farther, thinking about pushing a little farther, is because my birthday is August 9th. So I was thinking, oh, why not celebrate the salon and my birthday at the same time? 2 in 1, you know. But we'll see. I mainly want to do it a couple months out. I would do it in June, but I have lots of stuff going on in June. June is always busy for me, my family, because somehow on my mom's side, everybody would just want to be born in June. All her siblings, not all of them, most, like maybe a few of them, their birthdays are in June. So that's where all the celebration starts. So I didn't want to do it in June. And plus I'm going to concerts that first weekend. The first couple weekends I'll be going on concerts. And then July will be the best, because I think a friend of mine, her birthday is in June as well. But we are gonna, well, she wants to push it out to July because there's this festival she wants to go to, and might as well celebrate it over there. Like you guys know, we possibly might go to New York, but we're not sure yet. Nothing has been booked or whatever. So I'm just waiting on her with that plan. But other than that, we might go over there for her birthday in July, but that's the only plans I have. So I felt like July would be good for a grand opening. But if not, August would be good. I will try to like decorate as best as I can. It takes time with decorating, especially when you're on a budget and you don't have like full funds. I am just gonna decorate as best as I can. I want to make it aesthetically pleasing. The salon is going to be called Aesthetics Lounge, so has part of my name and it sounds cute. So I gotta make the salon live up to that name, you know what I mean? So make it really aesthetically pleasing to the eye. We want to attract high-end clients and all that stuff too as well. So I think that's really all I wanted to tell you guys. Another thing I haven't talked about, I already had this for like 3 weeks or maybe a month already, that I have alopecia. I have a bald spot and it's huge, and luckily it's able to be covered, and it's on this side, on my right side. So it's in the back, so my hair hides it very well, but I can't do certain styles anymore like I liked. Like I like doing my half up, half down hairstyle. Now I can't do that because you will see my bald spot. So now I am dealing with that. When I first found out, girl, it was a week of signing my signing for the building as well. That week was full of emotions for me because I was going through a lot, but I didn't want to stress it or show my emotions either. I like to talk about it with my friends, but still it doesn't really help. So I found out about my bald spot. I was going through it with friend / coworker. That's a whole different other situation. So I was having a lot of emotions with that. Plus also with like the good news was the signing for the building. I feel like I couldn't really get excited for the signing because of my bald spot, that it was kind of stressing me out. Not stressing me out, but like it was a shock because it wasn't small, it was big, and my sister found it and or noticed it because I had my hair up in a bun, and obviously I can't see on the back of my head, so she seen it and took a picture and showed me what it is. I don't feel comfortable showing it to you guys. It's still a little sensitive. Oh, there's a guy passing by. Yeah, I don't want to show any pictures, or maybe in the future I will, but not right now. It still sucks that I have a bald spot, and I know everybody goes through it. I know it's with stress, and I didn't want to, I was trying to tell myself don't stress out with the building or with anything. So I didn't feel stressed, but I think my body was stressed, and me telling my mind, you're not stressed, you're fine, just go with the flow, and that it just overpassed that stress feeling. Because when I'm stressing, I kind of freak out, and then I calm down. But this time I'm like, nope, I'll leave everything on God's hands. I have faith in him with whatever plans he has. I trust in him. But then knowing about my bald spot, it just like shocked me, and I didn't want to cry about it. I'll have my moments where I did cry, but I would suck it up, and because I didn't want my feelings, my emotions to get worse or get too intense where my bald spot will get worse. So it is a stressful shirt. I'm not gonna say it's stressful. It was not stressful at all. It's just a lot of emotions, and honestly, I feel like it factored more with the friend / co-worker situation. I feel like that's what really led all the stress. And whereas the building, it's honestly going really smooth. There hasn't been no setback on it. So everything's going so smooth, and that's another thing why I didn't want to post it yet. Because I know as soon as I'll post something, someone's gonna prey on my building and make it go downhill. I'd rather it go afterwards rather than things are getting built. I just prefer just to have it go smoothly. And yeah, my mom's calling. Anyways, back to my story or my conversation with you guys. So yeah, I am dealing with the bald spot. I have been putting rosemary oil on it. So really, I've been putting all over my scalp just to grow my hair. But that's all I've been using. So if you guys have any tips for that, I know it's going to take a while for that spot to grow hair. I'm just anxious for hair to grow. But I know it's going to take a while. So if you guys have any advice on how to fix a bald spot, let me know. What else? But yeah, I am excited. The girls are excited. Next week, I'm really gonna be packing, so I'll show you guys unpacking. And we're gonna do a contract for one of the girls, because she'll be moving in right away with me. And then what else? This girl, my niece, is saying hi. I'll show you guys. After I pick up my niece, I'm gonna go get some food for Armani because he has no food. Get him some treats, and then head over to the salon. Hopefully my dad can get out early today, but he sometimes will stay late for work for overtime. But if he doesn't, hopefully he can bring my doors over to the salon. And oh yeah, I had ordered so the doors are gonna be like a barn style where they slide. So I ordered that piece as well to hang up the doors. But they haven't gotten delivered yet. They'll get delivered tomorrow. So I think that's pretty much it I'm doing today. But yeah, I'll probably catch you guys back up either this week if I go over there to the salon, or for sure next week when I start packing up and do the moving stuff as well. I probably will do the moving vlog first, so it's probably gonna be backwards. I want to make the moving vlog first and then probably show you guys the salon afterwards, or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes for everything, but yeah, so stay tuned.